a brand new week in the stock market and a brand new chance to make in the market. Now, in this video, I'll be taking a look at the market outlook for this week, and I have a lot of setups for this week which I want to talk about. Setups that can make you a lot of money. This is a video that you do not want to miss for this week. So overall, if you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe and make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments if you guys are bullish or bearish this week. So overall, let's get started with the SPY, the S&P 500, the top 500 stocks in the stock market. Now overall, straight off the back, I'm very bearish this week, and I have many reasons. The main reason is, again, we are in a major downtrend, and we hit a major level of resistance. We rejected this level of resistance, and now we are going for 416. Now let's zoom in, for the SPY. Now again, go to tradingview.com. Okay, go to tradingview.com, copy my charts and use my link in the description. So just copy my levels, write these levels down. But overall, I'm taking a look at the SPY. We are starting to reject. Our next level of support is 416, where price keeps bouncing off of this level. So 416 is my price target for the SPY. If I zoom in a little bit more, we also have a gap. Okay, so we have a gap over here. So overall, below 416, price target is going to be 408. So overall, very bearish for this week. It does not look good, especially the RSI. It needs to cool down. It is still at overbought levels. Let's take a look at the Qs now. So this is the tech ETF, and the tech ETF looks even more bearish. Okay, again, same thing. We rejected a major level of resistance. If we zoom in, a little bit more, we have a gap. So we have a very nice gap over here for the Qs. So this is going to be a put market for this week. Price target for the Qs is going to be 312. So I'm taking a look at the chart. We broke this major level of resistance, and now our price target is 312 because that is the floor for right now for the Qs. Now the first play that I am looking at is Boeing. Okay, puts on Boeing. Okay, let's take a look at a bigger picture for Boeing. So overall, again, really same thing. Massive rejection on the daily time frame, and if we zoom in a little bit more, we are consolidating right now, and we are looking to break to the downside. Now the main thing that I'm looking at for this play is this gap. Okay, so I'm going to change my color. Over here we have this very nice gap. So I'm taking a look at puts below 162.89 and my price target to be 159. So I'm taking a look at puts right at the market open. Again, open up TradingView and check this chart out. We have a very nice gap play, a nice psychological gap play. So I'm taking a look at puts right at market open, and this is going to be weekly puts. Okay, and it's a pretty small gap, around 2%, so we can definitely fill this on Monday. So that is my first play. It looks very nice right at market open. The next play that I'm looking at is Celsius Holdings. Now this is not Celsius, the crypto company. This is actually a drink. They make like drinks and bars and stuff, so make sure to check their website out. But overall, let's take a bigger picture. Now let's take a look at a bigger picture. So I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna zoom in over here. I'm gonna change my color. But overall, we have this massive cup for Celsius. So one thing that I'm taking a look at is that we had a massive run for this stock, and that I think a cool down is necessary. And if I zoom in over here, we have a very nice symmetrical triangle. Now, symmetrical triangle is a neutral pattern. So whichever side it breaks out, for example, if it breaks to the upside, we play calls to the upside. And if it breaks to the downside, we play puts to the downside. So I want to see some more consolidation on Celsius. But overall, I'm taking a look over here, and we have a very nice gap down, just like Boeing and just like the overall market. So I'm taking a look at Celsius, and if we break below the $95 level, I'm taking a look at weekly puts to fill this gap down below. So I'm really loving this play, because not only we have a very nice gap, but this is also a very nice neutral play, so we can also play this to the upside. So I'll keep you guys updated on Twitter and on Discord, but overall, whichever side it breaks out, we play that side. And if the market is bearish, we break this level, I'm taking puts, and my price target is going to be $89. Again, I'll keep you guys updated on Twitter. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. Next, I have Apple. So Apple looks very interesting. I want to take a look at the RSI. Okay, the Apple stock is still overbought. We had an incredible run up for Apple, and we are at a major level of resistance for Apple. And not only that, again, we have a lot of gaps down below for this stock. So we have like 2 gaps down below for this stock, and I'm taking a look at a potential short swing for Apple. Okay, something to ride, puts down to the downside. But overall, I'm just watching this play. I'm not really confident in this play. So overall, I'm more confident on BA puts, but overall, just watching BA. Now, next I have oil. Now, I don't want to talk about overall like oil stocks in general in this video. I made a whole video for that, but overall, again, I'm very bullish on oil stocks. So make sure to check my video out on oil stocks, time to buy. Here's why. Make sure to check that video out because I go in very in depth on oil, and I'm very bullish on oil, and I already got a lot of call swings for oil. So that is pretty much my only bullish play for this week. Next, I have Pfizer. Pfizer looks very interesting, ticker symbol PFE. I have been watching this stock, for weeks now. Okay, it has been trading sideways and consolidating for many weeks and many months, and it's been almost a year. Okay, it's been almost since November that this stock has just been trading sideways. I'm taking a look at the weekly time frame. This setup looks very nice. Again, it is a neutral pattern, so calls if we break this to the upside and puts if we break this to the downside. But again, the market does look bearish, and we are at a major level of support. So I'm taking a look at a potential short this week, possibly. My price target, the levels down below, but overall, I'm watching the stock very closely, and I would advise to you to actually add this on your weekly watch list because this looks very nice and very interesting. Next, I have XLF. Overall, kind of like the same thing where we have a lot of gaps to the downside. So pretty much, again, just another short play. Next, I have Coin. So now Coin looks very interesting. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit over here. So I want to take a look at Coin, and overall, let's take a look at this. So for Coin, it looks very interesting because we had this massive consolidation. Okay, we usually have this massive consolidation, and then again we have a massive consolidation. It breaks to the downside, and right now we are consolidating very nicely for Coin. So if I'm taking a look at Coin right now, whenever we broke to the downside, we have a massive break to the downside. And I'm taking a look at Coin right now, and it has a very nice setup, nice consolidation setup. So overall, Coin is one of those stocks that I think you need to add it on your list. So I'm taking a look at Coin, puts to ride this down to 47.24, and overall crypto has been falling. So I'm definitely looking at that. And overall, this is also a very nice level of support. So potentially calls at this level to play the bounce. And if it breaks this level and if we close below, a great put play to the downside. So Coin looks very nice and very interesting. Next, I have NET, ticker symbol NET, NET. But overall, same thing. We have a nice gap. So watching that for this week. And then I have another one, which is CRWD. So this is my last stock that I'm watching this week, and it looks very interesting. So overall, really same scenario. We had a massive downtrend, and then we have had a massive trend to the upside. And I'm zooming in right over here, and we are at this massive level of support. Okay, and this week we are looking to break this massive level of support. So I'm looking to short CRWD, if you break this level of support to the downside, price target 167.88. So CRW looks very, very nice. It has a very, very nice channel, so I'm definitely watching that for this week. Just be careful of earnings. So overall, pretty much that is it. I tried to speed up everything, but my main plays for this week is BA. So puts right at market open for BA. And then next, I have CELH. So these two are my main plays for this week, BA and CLH. Okay, these are the stocks that I'm actually playing this week. And then oil, I'm already in oil, so make sure to check the video out on oil because I go in very, very in-depth on oil stocks and why I'm very, very bullish on oil stocks. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe and make sure to leave a like, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.